Hello and welcome to this new lesson in which we'll talk about how to clean your soldering iron. The first step would be, I hope that you can write these steps down so that you can repeat them. The first step would be hooking the soldering iron to the power source, as you can see using this plug. After let's say 3 or 4 minutes, the soldering iron will be ready for soldering. Don't use it for soldering. What you will use it for is simply cleaning. You must first clean it. The cleaning process must be done before and after the soldering process or the soldering job. So after it heats up, you must take it and put it inside this flux. I don't have it on because it will generate too much heat and too much let's say dust that might hurt the camera and the location. So let me explain it to you in theory with this practical stuff. After you heat it up, you place it in the flux. So wait until the flux start turning into liquid state around the bin head or this head. Once it turns into the solid or liquid state, remove it out or move it out and put it here. You must have a piece of cloth with water on it in order to keep cleaning, and try to clean it 360 degrees from all of these places. So you must clean it from here. Okay, let me show you this. You must clean it from here and from back, from up, from down, from all places. After this, place it back in this soldering station, as you can see, and voila, you are ready to go. Now you must repeat the process. Once you finish soldering, put it in the flux again, then clean it with this piece of cloth, and then you are good to go. Just remove the plug from electricity and you will have your soldering gun working for as long as possible unless you break it. This is the right process for cleaning the soldering iron gun. First, again, let's summarize things. First, hook it up to the power, wait 3 minutes until it heats up. Put the heat tip, this heat tip, in the flux. After that, after putting it in the flux, clean it with this sheet of cloth. You try to add a sheet that has water on it so that you won't burn that sheet, and it will help cleaning the pin head. You can repeat the process if it has a lot of let's say dust or solder or other stuff on the pin head. You can add it to the flux again and clean, add it to the flux again and clean until it turns, until you see that it's cleaned very well. For sure this one isn't cleaned, it's broken, as you can see, so we have to replace it entirely by removing this, as you can see, and buying a new one. That's it for this lesson. What you need to do is heat it up, use a flux, use a piece of cloth that has water on it, and you are good to go. This is the right process for cleaning your soldering iron. Thanks for watching. This is Educational Engineering Team.